Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. Third regular puzzle is a JigSaw Sudoku, aka tectonic, in today's newspaper on Tuesday, September the 24th, 2024. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars, 4 star Sudoku, so one puzzle is left, the JigSaw Sudoku. In this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. And the news of today, well, the third war is started. Yes, the first war is in Ukraine, the second war is in Gaza, and this one is against Hezbollah in Lebanon. Yeah, the third war. The Israelis started the second war. Okay. This one will be number 9321. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 16 printed digits should be an easy one, because the hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one is 16. I think it's 0 stars. 0 stars, I need to be faster than 14, 30 minutes, or maybe a 1 star. 1 star need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars for 3 stars puzzle. 20 to 30 minutes. Right, question is it a 3 stars or 1 star or 0 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Here we have a dual box, contains the 1 and the 2. Well, we do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. How about triple boxes then? No triple boxes here. Quadra boxes, I see here quadra box, there quadra box, and here quadra box. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Here also a quadra box. Well, this box can be 4, those 2 boxes can be 4, and this box can be 4. 1 box left for the 4, and this quadra box supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. And these 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. I believe we have 3 shapes. Let me see this shape first. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 2 here. And then the final shape, the T shape, I believe here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, by the way, 3 shapes, maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 3. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These two boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. These two boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left now. In this area, for numbers 3 and 5, we have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 1 and 2. We have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. These two boxes can be 1. These two boxes can be 4. So the 1 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. The other pair in this area are the numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. These two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this quadrat box, supposed to be here, is connected with that box. Should be so 1, 1 and a 4, we have 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes, and there. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this quadrat box, should be supposed to be here. And if eliminated here, the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this quadrat box for number 3. These two boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 5, because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, supposed to be here. Then let me see. These two boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this T-shaped area. Supposed to be here. Mark those 2 boxes early with a 1. We have a 1 now, so this can be 1 and more. That box will be 1, and if eliminated here, the 4, so the 4 goes there. Okay. These 2 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be there. Then these 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this T-shaped area is supposed to be there. Is connected with that box, so 3. 1 box left in this quadrat box for number 2. Here 2 numbers left. 2 and the 5 are left. Let me mark those. Well, this should be also 2 and a 5, but there cannot be a 5 here in this area. Quadrat box doesn't contain number 5, so it should be the 2 then. It is connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this quadrat box for number 3. 2 and 3. We have a 3 here. Okay, 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 5. I think this box should be a 4, because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Yeah, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Well, I cannot place the 3 there because we have a double 3 there. If I place the 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 is supposed to be here. 4 goes there. Then this box can be 4. That box can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2. This box can be 3. So the 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. Then, let me see, this box can be 4, that box can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area, supposed to be here, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area, supposed to be here, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. and 2 numbers left in this area. For us 3 and 4, we have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Then let me see. 1, 4. I think this box should be a 2 because give me 1. Should be a 2. Give me 3. Give me 4. Give me 5. We have a double 5 there. Yes. I think this box should be a 3 because give me 1. Give me 2. Should be 3. Give me 4. Give me 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left. 1 numbers 4 and 5. Well, these 2 boxes can be 4, we have a double 4 there. These 2 boxes can be 5, we have a double 5 there. So the 4 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this area are numbers 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 3 goes there. 3 and 5, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. 5 and a 4, we have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And a 5, no 2 numbers, 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Finished in 10 minutes. Well, told you. It should be at 0 stars. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now.